I wasn't the developer this company wanted, but I was the developer they needed. I still remember to this day those dark times when she used to walk into my office. She had the knock-you-dead beauty of an approved pull request and the cut-you-bloody-sharp wits of a freshly opened Jira ticket.
God damn it, Frank.
I knew why she was here. I knew what she wanted. But I also knew I can't give it to her.
For Pete's sake, Frank, it's already midnight.
Just say it, Jenny. Just say it. I can't bear this any longer.
Are you going to fix this bug already? We can't revert again. Customers are going berserk. We're losing money every minute here.
I wasn't surprised. F it. Fine, I admit it. I can't see how to debug this issue.
Have you tried Rookout yet? Check it out. These non-breaking breakpoints are nice. You can see all your variables, stack trace, and metadata, and all while your code is running in prod.
Ah, found it. I knew this code like the back of my hand. To this day, I haven't found the race condition that could outrace me. I was ready to get push. I'm always ready to get push with Jenny by my side.
Come on, I'll approve your pull request. Let's call it a day.
Jenny?
Yeah?
I love production debugging.
You're okay too, Frank. Come on. Drinks are on me. Tabs.
Spaces.
Tabs.
Spaces.
Tabs.
Spaces.